Hello my friends, today I would like to explain you about parallel charging. So, because many of us have several batteries and they don't want to wait like 30 minutes for each, we can do the so-called parallel charging. Yeah? So, in order to do this you need the following. You need a good power supply. This one is 12 volt and 30 amp maximum, it's an industrial power supply. Then you need a good balanced charger, in my case the Turnigy 8150. Then you need this, which is very important. It's a parallel charging board. So you can use to charge up to 6 batteries. And then you need the batteries, which, like I said also in the blog, they must be the same type. Ideally same capacity, in this case 2ZP 2.2 amps, and also ideally they should have the same discharge state. So it's not ideal to parallel charge a completely empty battery and a almost full battery, because you have a big peak current initially and that can damage the board and the battery themselves. So in order to check the charge state, we have this useful device, which probably many of you already have. So okay, 3 cells, 11.5. I just used it last week on my 450 Heli. So should be same capacity, same charge state. 3 cell, 11.5. So these two have exactly the same charge state and they are the same capacity. So this is ideal case for charging. Okay, next what we will do is that just plug each battery and each balance port to the correspondent connector. Very important. First one, in my case, it's the balancing is to the left, and second one, the balancing is to the right, and so on and so forth. 3 here and 4 here, 5 here, 6 here. Okay, so I connect mine, first one, and then because the balancing is to the left, I will just plug it here. Okay, first one connected. Just try to put it somehow so it doesn't have some tension in the cable. Then we connect the second battery and the balancing port accordingly, like this. Okay, so the batteries are connected. Usually what I like to do, because one time it happened that I had very different state of charge of the batteries, one of the balancing port just melted. So after I do this, I just check the wires if they're not getting very hot before plugging to the power supply. So everything seems okay. Then the next step I do is I connect the charging port, charging connector to my Turnigy charger, and then you must connect the balance charger balance port, which is this one. Okay, after everything is connected, I connect all this to my power supply, like this. So of course red with plus and black with minus. And when everything is in position, then only then I will plug it to the power socket, like now. Okay. So next step, after everything is connected, again very shortly change for any hot wires, no problem. Then we select lithium polymer battery, because this is the battery type, like this. Okay, and what I usually do is not lipo charge, but it's lipo balance, like this. Okay, now if we connect the batteries in parallel, like in this case, we have the same voltage but we double the capacity. When we connect the batteries in series, like I explained in the blog, this one for example, it's a 3S, means 3 cells, 3.7 volt each, connected in series. This adds the capacity. In parallel we keep the voltage, but we add the capacity. So in this case, the charger believes I will have one 3-cell battery, because it's parallel, and 2200 plus 2200. So my balance charger believes I have a 4.4 amp battery. So In order to charge 1C charging, which is one time capacity, I just select 4.4 amp and then I just start charging. Okay, battery check. And confirm, enter. And you will see the current will increase very fast in the beginning, so that's why it's good to have similar charge state. And then we just see each cell with the according voltage. If you have, for example, 3 batteries like this one, you will have to select 6,600 milliamp, which is 3 times this capacity. If you have 4 batteries, again 4 times this capacity for 1C charging. Basically this is parallel charging. Again, checking if I have no hot cable or hot wiring underneath. Everything is okay. Have fun, but keep in mind safety measures and never leave this parallel charging device unattended, because it's not a very safe process if you don't do the right things when charging it. So thanks for now, bye bye, until next time.